Good morning, Grandma.
Good morning, Grandma.
Good morning, children. Why are you both so happy today?
Today is our holiday. We don't have school.
Grandma, can you tell us a story?
Yes, please. We love your stories.
Of course. Today, I will tell you a story about trees.
That sounds interesting.
A long time ago, there was a beautiful village with many trees. The air was fresh, and birds sang in the trees every morning.
That sounds lovely.
Yes, it was. But after some years, people started cutting down trees for their own benefit. They wanted more land for buildings and farms.
What happened then?
At first, people were happy because they had more space, but soon problems began.
What kind of problems?
The weather became hotter. There was less rain, and many birds and animals lost their homes.
That's sad.
It became difficult for farmers to grow crops because the soil became dry.
So, cutting too many trees caused all those problems?
Yes, trees are very important for our environment.
Why are trees important, Grandma?
Trees give us oxygen to breathe. They keep the air clean and provide shade on hot days.
What else do they do?
Trees help bring rain, prevent soil erosion, and provide homes for many birds and animals. Soil erosion means the washing or blowing away of the upper fertile layer of soil by water or wind.
I didn't know trees do so much for us.
That's why we should protect trees and plant new ones whenever we can.
Grandma, can you teach us how to plant a tree?
Of course. Come with me to our garden.
Wow, the garden looks beautiful.
There are so many plants here.
Today, I will teach you how to plant a tree.
Great. What is the first step?
First, we dig a small hole in the soil.
I can help with that.
Good job, Emma. Now place the young plant in the hole.
Like this?
Yes, exactly. Now cover the roots with soil.
The plant is standing nicely.
Very good. The last step is to water the plant.
I'll bring some water.
I'll help too.
Excellent work, children. You have planted a tree today.
I'm happy that we planted it.
Me too. I will take care of it every day.
That's wonderful. Remember, every tree makes our earth greener, healthier, and more beautiful.
Thank you for teaching us, Grandma.
You're welcome, children. Let's keep planting and protecting trees.
We will.
Take the quiz on screen, complete the sentence, and drop your answers down in the comments below. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe.